In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build your own accounting and bookkeeping workflow in Monday.com. Setting up a streamlined process in your accounting efforts can save you time and keep your finances organized. Let's get started by creating a finance workspace. This should be a dedicated area called accounting and bookkeeping within Monday.com. By creating a separate workspace, you ensure that all your financial boards are distinct from your operations and project management tasks. It helps in maintaining a clean and focused environment to manage your finance-related activities efficiently. Next, we will dive into building a transactions board. You'll want to create a new board and name it Transactions. It's essential to set up the right columns for smooth tracking. Start with a date column to record when each transaction occurs. Follow this with a transaction type column to classify it as either income or expense. The next column, category, can include details like rent, salaries, or sales, helping you categorize the transaction appropriately. Having an amount column with numbers ensures you keep track of the value associated with each entry. Additionally, a status column serves to track whether transactions are pending, cleared, or reconciled. Finally, including a notes or attachments column is practical for attaching invoices or receipts to the respective transactions. Now let's create recurring bookkeeping tasks by setting up a bookkeeping task board. This can include tasks like weekly reconciliation or drafting monthly reports. One of the powerful features of Monday.com is automation. So don't forget to use automations to schedule these tasks to repeat automatically. This ensures nothing slips through the cracks and maintains consistency in your bookkeeping routines. With our boards in place, it's time to automate status updates and approvals. For example, you can set up an automation so that when an expense is added, a notification is sent to the manager for approval. Furthermore, when the status of a transaction changes to cleared, you can automate the system to move it directly to the reconciled category. These automations help minimize manual inputs and keep the workflow agile and responsive. Lastly, let's build a finance dashboard. Adding widgets for elements such as income versus expenses, outstanding invoices, and cash flow gives you real-time visibility into your financial health. Dashboards in Monday.com allow you to pull critical data from various boards and display them in one easily accessible and customizable view. This visual representation helps in making informed decisions based on your current financial status. And there you have it, a fully functional accounting and bookkeeping workflow in Monday.com. By setting up this organized system, you streamline your financial management, allowing you to focus more on other strategic aspects of your business. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this useful for managing your finances with efficiency and precision.